thank you guys for continuing this tutorial series. If you learned something from this video, please like, comment and subscribe. And if you got any problem, let me know in the comment section. I will be happy to help you out. Okay, as I promised in previous video, I will answer this 4 question by calculating these goals. Okay, you can see all of the question. If you don't have this sheet or this file, you can download from the link in the description below. Otherwise, you can follow my previous 2 videos if you haven't followed. Okay, in this video tutorial, let me answer all of the questions. Okay, at first, just write ANSWER, answer 1, enter 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, that's all. In answer 1, what was our question? Who is the most goal scorer in club? Okay, the club goal scorer, you can see who is here. This is Messi. Okay, but we want that answer by calculating them. So when we have lots of data but all are looking similar, then we can use this function and it will show the result easily. Just give an equal and max maximum. Okay, first bracket, select all of the number, close the bracket. Here it is. This is okay, this is Messi. Okay, don't worry, it is showing only the number. In next, I will show you how to show the name. Okay, name who has the most goal. Okay, what is the second question? Who is the most goal scorer in UCL? Just write equal UCL. Just write max first bracket UCL. Okay. Press tab. You can see the answer. Most goal scorer is 99. Who has this record? Suarez. I'm not sure who is the most goal scorer in UCL. Okay, this is also right. Max international goal. Okay, press enter. Who is most total goal scorer? Just write equal max, select all of them. Yes, that is 865. That is Lionel Messi. Now last but not the least, who is the less total goal scorer? Just write equal. This time the function will be minimum. Okay, minimum, select all of the total goal and close the bracket, press enter. It is 168. That is 168 Dembele. You can format this table or style this table. Just select all of them, click on this style. You can see you have different option. Let's select this acetone. You can see you have pre-made style. Select all again. Most UCL goal scorer. Let's change it. When I change it to 79 and press enter, you can see this result has been changed to 98. That is Messi. Just double click on it. You can see now most goal scorer is Messi. Okay, stay tuned. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. That's all for this video tutorial. Thank you for watching.